ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልን እንግዲህ በሁለተኛው በኢንዛይም ቪዲዮአችን ተገናኝተናል ማለት ነው። በባለፈው እንግዲህ ኢንትሮዳክሽን አይተን ነበር ማለት ነው። ዛሬ ደግሞ እንግዲህ የምንመለከተው ኢንዛይም እና ካታሊስት ምንድነው ልዩነታቸው፣ አንድነታቸው የሚለውን የምንመለከት ይሆናል ማለት ነው። እስከመጨረሻው ድረስ አብራችሁን ዝለቁ። ቻናሉን ግን ሰብስክራይብ ካላረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ። እስከመጨረሻው ቆዩ። ኦኬ መጀመሪያ እንግዲህ ካታሊስት ምንድናቸው የሚለውን መመልከት ያስፈልጋል ማለት ነው። catalysts are substances or chemical compounds that are inorganic in nature that increase the rate of chemical reactions or any inorganic chemical reactions outside of the cell ማለት ነው. Just like that of the enzymes, they do not affect the equilibrium constant, rather they can increase or they can enhance what the rates or the speed at which chemical reactions can be what occurred. chemical reaction ማፋጠን ብቻ ነው እንጂ equilibrium constant ወይም ደግሞ rate constant ምን አያደርጉም change አያደርጉም ማለት ነው. So the catalysts can remain unchanged in overall process or they cannot be altered in the course of the reaction like that of an enzyme. This is a general similarity between that of the catalyst and an enzymes. So reactants, that is the starting material or the chemical group that is found on the left sides of the reaction in catalytical reaction we call reactant እንለዋለን. enzymatic reaction ላይ ደግሞ substrate እንላቸዋለን ማለት ነው. So reactant binds to a catalyst everywhere or anywhere in the catalyst the reactantu ካታሊስቱ ላይ ወይም ደግሞ ካታሊስቱ ምንም አይነት ቦታ አይመርጥም ማለት ነው. ኤንዛይም ላይ ከመጣን ግን አክቲቭ ሳይት ብቻ ነው ሄዶ ባይንድ ማድረግ የሚችለው. and it proceeds with the generation of or the release of products. So those catalysts, just like that of an enzyme, they can lower the energy of activation or the energy barriers where the reactants goes to a transition states. So those catalysts can increase the orientations by which colliding the reactant molecules to proceed to the product. ወደ product የሚሄዱበትን መንገድ reactanቶች collide እንዲያደርጉ or they are what approaching to እንዲያደርጉ orientation ምን ያደርጋል ማለት ነው. Those catalysts, they take part all parts of the reactant, not have all the catalyst can what actively engaged or the substrate or the reactant molecule can bind with the catalyst everywhere in the catalyst ላይ የትም ቦታ ሄዶ bind ማድረግ ይችላል ማለት ነው. ነገር ግን ኤንዛይም ከሆነ active site ይኖረዋል ማለት ነው. but catalyst cannot have a active site regions. So enzymes ስንልስ ምንድናቸው የሚለውን አሁን ማየት ይጠበቅብናል ማለት ነው. Enzymes are what? Proteins. They are biological molecules. They are tertiary structure proteins. Don't forget it. Tertiary structure, globular nature's protein. Tertiary structure mostly is the most common and most stable structures of a protein. So almost all are protein except ribozyme. ይሄን አይተናል ማለት ነው. They can also speed up biochemical reactions in the living cell. They works in the living organism. But they can also reduce the activation energy just like that of a catalyst, and they are found everywhere inside the cells, in the tissue, include in every parts of the organs. They can affected by cellular conditions, but catalysts cannot be affected, and they have what a special regions or the pocket-like structure where the substrate is coming to bind to the enzymes. Rather, they cannot bind everywhere in the enzyme. የትም ቦታ ኤንዛይሙ ላይ ሄዶ ሰብስትሬቱ ባይንድ ማድረግ አይችልም ማለት ነው. So the other one enzymes እንግዲህ common feature አላቸው. ለዚህ ያየናቸው ናቸው በባለፈው ማለት ነው. highly specific ናቸው ለሰብስትሬታቸው. do not consume in the reaction, just it is the common for substrate in the reactant. reusable ናቸው, እንደገና መጠቀም እንችላለን. and they are what essential for metabolic reaction for the sustainability of what life that balances substrate and product in the living organisms. They do not change the equilibrium constant and just like that of the catalysts. But this is a major difference between enzymes and chemical catalysts. This is summarized by these tables. እዚህ ጋር የምናየው ይሆናል ማለት ነው. እንደምናየው እንግዲህ enzyme thermolabile molecules are easily digestible or easily destructible molecules ናቸው. ነገር ግን the chemical catalysts are what stable. They are most thermostable. They resist what temperature. change in temperature ምን ያደርጋሉ resist ማድረግ ይችላሉ ማለት ነው. The other one, these enzymes are what biological molecules or they are proteins, organic molecules, biological substance ናቸው. but those chemical catalysts are what non biological or inorganic chemicals ናቸው ማለት ነው. Good, enzymes are proteins in nature. They are susceptible for denaturation. That is why tertiary structure proteins or globular forms of protein. Don't forget it. Enzymes are what? Globular proteins. They are sensitive and for the body temperature changes, pH change, and so forth. That are they make it, or those factors or the cellular condition can make it the enzyme denatured because it is protein nature. The other chemical catalysts somehow lowly affected by denaturing or non-denaturing characteristic nature. They are not proteins in nature. So enzymes are what highly specific for their substrates, but catalyst cannot be what specific የሆነ chemical group ወይም ደግሞ የሆነ substituent ከኦሪጂናል reactant ወይም ደግሞ substrate ቢጨመርበት ካታሊስቶች the other one, enzymes are sensitive for temperature. ቅድም እንዳልነው ሴሉላር ኮንዲሽን እንደ ፒኤች ምን ያደርጋቸዋል ማለት አፌክት ያደርጋቸዋል ማለት ነው። ቼንጅ ሲያደርግ ወይም ደግሞ ሲጨምር ሲቀንስ የኢንዛይሙን ኔቸር የኢንዛይሙን ካራክተሪስቲክ የኢንዛይሙን ካታሊቲካል ሮል ይቀይረዋል ወይም ደግሞ አፌክት ያደርገዋል ተጽዕኖ ያሳድርበታል ማለት ነው። but in case of catalyst there is no physiological factors affecting the catalyst roles. So the enzymes are what highly or extremely efficient as much as possible when we compare with that of the uncatalyzed or without enzyme 10 the power of 3 up to 10 the power of 8 ያክል እንግዲህ ስፒድ አፕ ያደርጋሉ ደግሞ በጣም ኤፊሽንት ናቸው ውጤታማ ናቸው but chemical catalysts are less efficient relative to that of the enzyme but they are efficient but lower than the enzymes. Good. The other one, enzymes are what saturated with substrate that will forms the enzyme substrate complex. This is a saturation enzyme substrate complex but the catalysts do not show or do not form saturations. The other one, enzymes are highly regulated. They are controlled. It may be what activated when it is slowed down, while if it is what exaggeratedly act or more activated inhibited with inhibitors. It may be chemical catalyst, it may be drugs or any xenovites or toxin chemicals but chemical catalysts are not regulated, they are not inhibited or activated. So the other one, the enzymes have high molecular weight biomolecules or protein molecules, while those chemical catalysts have lower molecular weight as compared with that of the corresponding enzymes. So this is a big deal difference between enzymes and that of catalysts. That is why catalysts are not working in the living cells. That is not non-biological or non-biocatalyst. They are generally chemical catalyst. While enzymes are what? Biocatalyst. Bio means life, catalyst means speed up the chemical reaction, speed up the metabolic process, it may be digestion and so forth, transportation, excretion, or exchange of material. That is chemical reactions in the living cell. So it can be triggered or speed up by enzymes, while non-chemical, non-enzymatic reaction with or outside of the cell or outside of the living organism can be triggered by chemical catalyst So this is all about enzymes and catalysts. This is a big deal difference between the two chemical compounds, enzyme and that of catalysts. If you have any doubt, any question, any concern, you can write in the comment box. This is all about today's presentation. Thank you.